welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. How are you today? It's another weekend. So for today's video, I'm going to reallocate all my completed saving challenge into our month ahead binder. So let's start. So let me take out all the completed saving challenge. And today is October 4th here in Hong Kong. And today is also 3 years ago is the saddest day of our life, including my mom, because my father left us on October 4th because of COVID. That's why we don't celebrate that anniversary. And how can you celebrate that anniversary of someone who left us? So I don't know to you how you celebrated it, but we don't celebrate because it's still painful to know that my father is not around anymore. Okay, with that being said, let's start with this one, and then let's count how many I got today. So for this one, okay, I will also take out money from this. So this one is $30. Where is my? Let's just put it on the side. So my father is my best friend. Actually, I'm more closer to my father than to my mom. But now that my mom is only the one around me and my children, of course, I'm now more closer to my mom. So let me arrange this. Sorry about the the sad video. I just want to get it out of my head because I'm just doing something that to avoid what's today happened 3 years ago. I'm still cannot move on with that. So hard. So please bear with me and let me just say whatever I say in here. Okay. So let me check which one. I will arrange the finish saving challenges. And I'll let you know which challenges is from which channel or which friend. And also the ding ding ding. I will take out all of the money here. So I can restart a new one. So now I think there's some points here that only one left here for my daughter's graduation cell because it doesn't happen yet. It will be soon, but not yet. This is for us to give it to her or just celebrate it outside. So yeah, they still have a coins. Okay, let's change the mood. Okay, so this one is from the Budgeting Butterfly Bay. It's a butterflorific. So I said here 53. This one is from Rox Budgets. And I save here 50. This one is from my freebie that will be linked on my description box. You can see it on my Ko-Fi shop as well. And this one is my saving challenge as well, which I think I didn't release it yet, but some of you have it. And where is it, the other one? So this saving challenges is from Tiny Budget Co. It's a freebie. Oh, no. I forgot if it's a freebie or I pay for it. this one and this one. Is from Saving with Alicia, or she sent it to me through my email. It's a freebie. This one is from, of course, the Madeline of Madeline Budget. And this one is from Donna Power by Creativity. So let's count how much we save on this. On the total of the money that I save on these challenges. Okay, let's count this. I just get my calculator. 50 plus 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 520 plus 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 plus 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 16. So I will just put it, I just put it on the side and change these coins into notes because I don't want to use coins on this saving challenge, on this reallocation. So I change this in here and put the extra dollar here. Sorry. So let's just get $10. So the total amount of this one is 660 plus 10, right? So total amount is 660, including this one. So what I'm going to do, so for my month ahead rent, it's already fully funded. But food, groceries, and gas is not, and what water also not yet. Gas, I should need to, if this is fully funded for one cylinder LPG gas, it should be 530, but I only have here 450. So what I'm going to do is get $80 here to solve my Senate. So it's gonna be completed. Plus 80. So 530. But delivering cylinder gas, we always give tips. So let's make it 100 then. So just put 100 here. So now it's going to be fully funded. So, so let's go back to this too. So I prioritize this one because I don't put any here yet. Okay. So what I'm going to do is add or even again. So add number into food, even into groceries. So let's start. I'll put $20 each time I roll. Okay. So 4 is even is here. Even. Roll again. Add. Even. Add. 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 Even. Even. Add. 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 Whoa. even, even, odd, even, odd, even. Oh, who got more? Even, even, odd, even, odd, odd, odd. Ooh, odd. Last two. Odd. Oh, even. So let's see how much we got each category. So for food, it's for odd number. I put it one should be a one envelope. It's supposed to be 30 envelope challenge. I got it from Lay of Lay Budgets. But what I'm going to do is whatever I have, if it's total of 100, I'll color all of these sides. And when I finish it, it's going to be a 3,000. My goal is 3,000 for this and the groceries. So let's see how much it's have. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Whoa, color one. Let's color this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 200. 20, 40, 60, 80, 300. Whoa, 300. Yay. So I can't decide where to put it. That's why I've used the dice to decide for me. And you know me, I let my dice decide more than my mind. Okay, $20. So $320. So it should be like this. Incomplete. So it means $320. Yay! So let me set like this so it's more easy for me to count next time. Yep, it's me. I think I'm the only one who do it on this community. Okay. Good month ahead is fine. It's finished. I already funded it. And next one is the groceries. Let's change it. Groceries, I put green this time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 100 is the same thing. One icon is $100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 200. So two icons. Then 20, 30, 40. So 240. I just write down here 40 so that I know. Or make it a half one. Not even half. So 40. So if you're like me, you want to build your month ahead, you can do this one. You can have a smaller saving challenges or put a certain amount in one category. You can do an avalanche method or a
Snowball method.
is for avalanche you do the bigger amount first and the smaller amount is later, but the
Snowball method.
smaller amount first and then the bigger amount later. So for me, what I did is I'm focusing on the bigger amount first, which is my month ahead rent. That's why I fully funded it. It's really hard anyway. It's really hard to fund it, but I finish it. And when I finish all of this one, I will go back to funding the second month ahead for my rent. Okay, that's all for now, lovelies. I hope I inspire you in some way, and thank you very much for hanging out with me. That's all for now, and see you later. Bye, lovelies. Be humble and grateful. Bye. Happy weekend.